Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine here. Today I created this nice and pretty subtle but glam look with a nice pop red lip to kind of like cast in with my red top. I wanted to have a little bit of fun with you guys today. Just showing you my makeup techniques and like my go-to glam look. So if you would like to see how I created this look and really kind of styled my braids in this one, definitely keep on watching. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with my primer, Ula Henriksen, the Banana Bright Face Primer, y'all. So, go ahead and get this going. I got my little clip in just so I can have my hair out my face. But I'm going to do this. What have y'all been up to? It's been a lot literally going on emotionally, physically, spiritually, for me personally, and for my race, for my community, for my family. It's been really heavy lately. And I just wanted to, regarding all that's going on with the killings of innocent black men, the killings of innocent black women, the killings of just innocent black people, period. Press my milk hydro primer into my skin and my T-zone area mostly. My MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Dark, and I'm going to use the orange in the palette, and I'm just going to kind of color correct. Talk a little bit more to you guys about just how I've been feeling, what I've been doing, and what's been going on, and things like that in Jazzy's world. Obviously, of course, you don't see I have my pixie. I had to get some braids, and I got these done in May. It was like the middle of May, like a few days literally before my first year anniversary. And because we did some outside activities, so I was like, oh girl, I can't go to the beauty shop and get my pixie all done and cute, and yeah, it get all messed up and wet. That would have been a waste. So I was like, yeah, since we have some of those plans back to back, let me go ahead and get something that's suitable for the water. It's been pretty crazy. Pretty crazy in a way to where my community have been fighting for justice in our communities, justice in our policing systems, for justice. And it's just been so heartbreaking to literally see my community go through a revolution. Like, I haven't seen anything like this since in my history books, honestly. I have not. Let me just stop and say, this is something simply that we've been fighting for over 500 years. And this is not something that just popped up out of nowhere and we're like, look at us, make us matter, care about us too, treat us equally. No. And it's so heartbreaking to see some of the things that we have to still go through. A lot of these situations, it could have been me. It could have been my boyfriend. It could have been my brother. It could have been my dad. It could have been my grandpa, because he's very opinionated. It's just so heartbreaking. But I hope through this time, You guys have been doing your parts on donating to organizations, donating to the causes that are going to indict a lot of these police officers, signing petitions, really doing your part. But I'm pressing in my Lancome foundation in the shade 530. I mixed it in a little bit with the Beauty Blender. This one's super creamy, super thick, a little bit more of a fuller coverage than the Lancome, so I just mixed in a little bit of that just to get more of a fuller coverage as well. I'm super oily too, by the way. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 385. Going through that. Just a little bit more underneath. While I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my contour. And I'm using the foundation stick by Hourglass in the shade Chestnut. It's the Vanish stick. It's a good foundation, but I like to use it for a cream contour instead. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm using the Revolution Banana Deep makeup setting powder, and I'm sorry y'all if I just keep going and I don't say what I'm using. Trust me, I will put it below in the description box for y'all. I'm gonna go in, and I'm not gonna use any shimmers on this look. Maybe possibly the next look we could throw in some shimmers and do a really pretty smoky extra glam. So dirty, y'all. I use this palette a lot, so excuse it, it's really messy, but I'm gonna use a Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette, and I'm just gonna use possibly like 3 to 4 shades. I'm gonna go in with this shade, this shade, this shade, and this one. So I'm just gonna kind of mix all of those together, go in with it, and we're done with my crease. Burgundy like red color that's gonna give like that extra pop of definition on the outer part of my crease. So that's, I'm gonna do that one last, but just gonna go ahead and smooth that on in. Mini travel size. It's called a Cover Shot, a blaze eye palette. So I'm just gonna go in with this gold at the top, and just gently pattering and smoother over my lid, and that's it, and be done with that. So that's good. I'm going to pop my Miss 3D Volume Lashes on, honey. I have my lashes on, and oh, hopefully secured, honey. Now they're secured. Now that I have those on, I like to go back in with my Just Peachy palette, and I like to grab a really cute smudge brush. And this is a Sephora brush in the shade, I mean, not the shade, Jesus, in the number 11. Smudge brush, pro smudge brush in the shade, I mean, oh, Jesus, Jasmine, words, please, words, in the number 11. And I'm gonna go in with this deep brown right here and tap off the excess. And I'm just gonna kind of like go on the top of my lash just to kind of give like that smudgy smokiness, but something that's really light. And it's just, all it is gonna just add an extra fullness to your lashes. Their part, the liner area, and I'm just gonna kind of swipe her across, just so you don't see, just so you don't see the line. Finish off my face, and I'm gonna go back in with the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. I'm going with the MAC blush in the shade Rasin, and I'm gonna use that same brush as well. Just kind of go at the top too. Back in with my sponge, and I'm gonna go in with my micro smoothing powder again in the shade 56, and just add some lightness under my eye area. And I'm gonna go back in the shade 60 now, and so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my most exciting part, because girl, I love to do a pop of color. I'm gonna and really like the last step of this makeup process, sadly, but we've come to an end, honey. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora, it's the Satin #1 cream lip stain, and yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna put my Bliss Text, my chapstick, underneath. My lips can get a little bit drying with this type of lipstick here, and I'm also gonna use the Dior in the Rouge Dior, in the Ultra Rouge in the color 999. So I'm just gonna dab in here, and you know what? I don't even want to use a lip liner. I'm not gonna use a lip liner. So I'm just gonna boom, go on in. Gonna go on top of it just to add a little bit of, just add some moisture. Alright, y'all, have my two lippies on together, and we're about done. I'm just gonna kind of like refresh my braids a little bit, especially the front. So let me go ahead and lay these baby hairs down really quick, and we will be good to go. we are complete. Really cute. Nice and pretty. I like to sometimes when I'm done just go back in with a little bit of bronzer, because that's just to my liking though. To my liking, I just like to go in with a little bit of more of Mocha. Depending on what kind of lip I put, depends on how natural and subtle, but I just want a little bit more pop around. I had a lot of fun doing this makeup look for y'all. It's really simple. It's like a quick little go-to when I'm going to brunch or quickly going to dinner during the week or even like a weekend look. I appreciate y'all just sticking on in and watching me all the way through. So I'll be doing a lot more makeup videos. I get these requested so much, and even though, you know, my channel is pretty much new, I started off with my pixie haircut styling. I wanted to incorporate beauty because I love everything beauty, and so I definitely had to incorporate this in, and you will be seeing a lot more looks on my channel. But thank y'all so much for watching. I pray that you guys experience nothing but peace and strength throughout this time in our world right now. It's literally like a revolution, and that's literally what we're seeing and we're going through, but we're gonna make it through. I definitely feel like we are going to see change now. I'm hoping generations from now, a lot of this will be just over and done and complete, and you see a total different number of equality here in America. But right now, I definitely feel like the way we are going, the work we are putting in as a community, we can definitely see change like now. But it takes work, and it takes all of us on coming together and supporting each other 100%. So again, thank y'all for watching this video, and I will definitely see y'all on the next one. Peace.